In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on battery and device care. Then click on battery section over here. Scroll down, choose more battery settings, and finally click on this switcher next to fast charging. As you can see, after that fast charging is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same no gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!